Hi. So, I have some nail mail. I have been MIA. My apologies. My hair looks ratchet. I just woke up. Went downstairs and, well, no, I didn't just wake up. I actually woke up this morning at 9 and my friend took my friend to work. And now I'm back home. I took a nap and I woke up again, went downstairs to get mail. I keep thinking my nose rings right here, so sorry if I keep randomly touching my nose like this. This is what we have, a package. I already cut it open. I have not seen it yet. Forgive my hair. Who else hair is looking like a hot mess right now? Thumbs up this video. So I ordered, I'm gonna link down below. No, okay, this is the thing. I am not going to link down below where I got this from because I ordered this over a month ago. Do you guys like my nails, by the way? Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, so how to cat eye. It's cat eye. It's really cool. I love it so much. It's like, it changes like green to purple to blue. It's really dope. Anyway, besides that, all right, it's really little. I like that. It's not freaking gigantic. It's not freaking heavy. It's like so light. Like, it's super light. It's, I think that my freaking nail drill is heavier than this, and my nail drill is small, and that's because it has like a battery in it or whatever. Let me see. Oh yeah, my nail drill is like, oh yeah, much heavier. I'm gonna use this coarse bit so that it pulls off the chalk really good. Okay, so let's do this one too. And let's try it out. Oh, hold on. Let's see how high up I can go. Really well. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so let's go higher. And I don't think people need to go that high. That's just ridiculous. And I'm looking at the camera as I'm doing this, and I'm only seeing like 2, 3, 4 pieces maybe fall off to the side. Mostly everything is getting caught here. I hope y'all can hear me. Okay, go higher. Still pulling it down. Okay. See if I could go higher. This is pretty. Okay. So I'm think, are they over 200? They're a lot. I don't care to try it. This right here is the go, okay? eBay, Amazon, the go. If you guys don't wait, if you guys don't mind waiting like a month to get, you know, some stuff, then oh my god, I'm in love. Let me show you how much mess is on me and on my desk with all of this. And this is like, I don't know, this isn't all of it. And I know these filters, you can wash them, clean them, or just buy a new one if it gets like too gross. Yeah, okay, I'm done. Alright, I'm done. Turn that off. This is my hands. Just dust that off me. And I don't think a lot can come off because obviously it's chalk. It's not just the dust. It's different. It's a different type of dust. Kind of stains your hands, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna have to wash my hands, but I have a little bit on my tripod. That's okay. I did it on the camera. Is this a tripod? This is how much got on me. I would say that is freaking nothing. And those are the big pieces that was jumping off when I got up like much higher. I'm sorry to be showing you my crotch. You can't really see anything, but you know, still, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's what that is. And then this is the drill. These are the couple pieces. These are the couple pieces that came off to the side. And this is the damage. And I have a black top. This is the damage. Hardly nothing. Let's see. Hardly anything. Those are the tiny pieces that were flying off that I said. Just a couple pieces. That's it. There's nothing on the floor. Let me see. No. Yeah, no blue pieces on the floor. It's mainly all here. So would I recommend this? Yes, it is worth the money. 10 out of 10. Get it. Get you one. Don't waste your money. And, you know, have a nice, happy, dust-free work zone, you know? We can all be freaking winners out here. Doo-doo. That's it right there. Here, let me see if I can get some more. I don't even know if this is all from that because it's not even blue. This is white. Yeah, all of that isn't even from it because that's white. But yeah, that is freaking nothing compared to this. And let me do a drop down. I know people like the drop downs. Hold on, I can throw that off. People love the drop down. So let's do one of those real quick. Right. I want it to like fall in, you know, be all in the bit, you know. This thing is gonna be my main, especially with glitter. For those of you nail techs like me that don't like freaking glitter, oh my gosh, this is the thing for you. Freaking hate glitter. I hate that fairy dust shit. All that shit. I hate that shit. That shit's pretty, but I hate that shit. I know I'm not the only one, but no, yes, I hate that shit so much. Pretty clean. My dumbass. Dropped a couple pieces in there. There we go. Alright, so I'm trying to do this with one hand. This is hard. Alright, so this is a filter. This is a little pulley thing right here. This is what we caught. This is what would have been on me and on my desk. Now I'm making a mess. mess here. Okay, I think for the most part I got it out. There's just a little blue stain, but this is what would have been on me and on my desk. Yep. That's exactly how much it would have been too. That much. That's a lot. That is a lot. And then also, yeah. Would that be like one hand? No, 2 hands probably. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. All that would have been on me and on my floor, on my desk, in my lungs. No, I'm so happy that I bought this. This is a great investment. Everybody should buy this. I kind of want to give like, I want to do like an essentials. To be in nail tech, these are the freaking essentials. I want to do a video on that. And I also want to low-key do like freaking nail classes. I'm done. I'm done. Video's over. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is very unplanned. I just wanted to show everyone that this is a cool not purifier. This is the nice nail dust machine. It's a really good machine. You should definitely buy one. If you're interested, don't mind the wait. I guess I'll go ahead and link where I got it from, because I wouldn't know of how the other links are, so I guess I could just send mine to you. Maybe my mistake was that the address was wrong in the beginning and I had to manually give them a new address. Maybe that was the problem. I don't know, but long story short, I got the shit, so who cares, right? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am going to try my best to get on my stuff and make sure I am pushing out some more videos for you guys. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.